Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Don't skip any part, watch the video complete. First of all, you have to open the TV settings, then scroll down to support. Now scroll down to self-diagnosis. Now scroll down to reset. Press OK here and it will prompt for a PIN code. Give 4 times 0 if you have not changed it. It will show you a message that all settings except network settings will return to factory defaults. If you want to carry on, click on yes. Select yes. Now it's showing that all settings have been reset. The TV will on and off. The TV Samsung Smart TV reset to its factory settings. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.